From humble street food to royal feasts, the journey of your favorite meals is more incredible than you know. This is the history of the dish.
Thailand Thai Pad. Thai Pad or Pad Thai is one of Thailand's most famous and beloved dishes, known for its perfect balance of sweet, sour, salty, and umami flavors. Despite its deep association with Thai cuisine, Pad Thai has a relatively modern history tied to nationalism, economic policy, and cultural identity. The roots of Pad Thai can be traced back to Chinese stir-fried noodle dishes, particularly kway teow, which were introduced to Thailand by Chinese immigrants. The technique of stir-frying rice noodles with soy sauce, eggs, and meat was already common in Thai street food before Pad Thai became a national dish. Pad Thai, as we know it today, was promoted by the Thai government under Prime Minister Plaek Phiban Songkhram, Field Marshal Plaek in the late 1930s and early 1940s. The government sought to reduce rice consumption due to economic struggles and rice shortages, promote nationalism by creating a distinct Thai noodle dish, encourage the use of local ingredients such as rice noodles, tamarind, palm sugar, and peanuts instead of Chinese-style wheat noodles and soy sauce. The dish was originally called Kway Teow Pad Thai, Gortir Pad Thai, meaning Thai-style stir-fried noodles. The government actively promoted it through radio broadcasts, street vendors, and school programs, making it a staple of Thai cuisine. The classic Pad Thai includes rice noodles, senchan, thin, flat noodles from Chanthaburi. Protein, traditionally shrimp, chicken, or tofu. Eggs, scrambled into the noodles. Tamarind paste, provides the signature tangy flavor. Fish sauce, nam pla, adds saltiness. Palm sugar, balances sourness with sweetness. Garlic, shallots, dried shrimp, and tofu for depth of flavor. Garnishes, crushed peanuts, lime, bean sprouts, and chili flakes. Over time, regional variations emerged, such as Pad Thai Hong, a drier version, Pad Thai Nam, a saucier version, Pad Thai Woon Sen, made with glass noodles instead of rice noodles. After World War II, Pad Thai became a symbol of Thai cuisine worldwide. Its popularity grew with Thai restaurants abroad, especially in the US and Europe. Tourism, visitors to Thailand sought out authentic Pad Thai from street vendors. Adaptations, Western versions sometimes include ketchup or extra sugar, differing from traditional recipes. Pad Thai remains a national dish of Thailand and is celebrated as street food, restaurant fare, and home-cooked comfort food. In 2017, CNN ranked it number 5 on the world's 50 best foods list. Pad Thai is more than just a noodle dish. It represents Thai ingenuity, cultural adaptation, and national pride. From its Chinese-inspired origins to its government-backed promotion, Pad Thai has become a global icon of Thai cuisine.
The recipes for all of our dishes are linked in the description below. Like, subscribe, and click on the next video.